Today, I'll be showing you an easy way to grow your own sprouts in a 5-tier system. Sprouts are packed with a lot of vitamins, and growing them is much more affordable than buying them at the local market. So one night, when I was drunk shopping on Amazon, I purchased this contraption. It has multiple seed placement trays, where water flows from the top tray to the bottom tray through a series of holes. In the next few clips, I'll show you what would have been considered sorcery 12,000 years ago. I can assure you I do not have any magical powers despite what my previous girlfriends have claimed. So let's get started. On day 1, thoroughly wash your seeds in a strainer. It's recommended to do so. I purchased thousands of these organic broccoli seeds online for approximately $18. I've posted links to purchase everything in this video in the description below. Once the seeds are washed, place a tablespoon's worth of seeds in each tray and spread them out as shown. After the seeds are situated, you'll need to measure out 16 ounces of cold water. I'm using a protein shaker cup to help me out since it has measuring markers on the side of it. Next, you'll need to pour all of the water in the top tray. The water will flow through a variety of holes in each tray and eventually collect at the very bottom. After a few hours, if you check the trays, you'll see the seeds have started to swell a little. Growing these babies is such a quick process. We will have edible sprouts within 5 days. Watering is crucial in the sprouting process. The best practice is to discard the water from the bottom tray first and then to add 16 ounces of water. This should be repeated every 6 hours. Rotating the bottom tray up to the top allows each tray to get a dose of fresh water at some point. On the 3rd day, we can see visible roots and yellowish leaves emerging from the seeds. The next couple of trays have longer roots. Not all types of seeds will grow at the same rate. I ended up using broccoli and alfalfa seeds. The alfalfa seeds are growing much quicker. On the 4th day, the leaves are turning green. If you look closely, you'll see some microroots. Microroots are also known as root hairs. They often are mistaken for mold, but are completely harmless. In fact, it's just a sprout's way of collecting as much water as it can. Once the sprouts have matured enough to eat, you may see some root hairs present. To get rid of the root hairs, simply soak the sprouts in cold water for 15 minutes before drying and storing them in the fridge. On the 5th day, we have edible sprouts. You can let them grow for more than 5 days if you prefer. I'm going to let them grow for 1 more day. I'll water them once more and store the trays near sunlight on this final day. Sunlight will help give them a little boost in growth, but it's not necessary. On the 6th day, the sprouts are ready for harvest. Feel free to wash them or eat them straight out of the tray. You can add sprouts to virtually any meal to give you a boost in nutrition. In fact, sprouts are rich in a number of important nutrients. While the specific ratio of nutrients varies depending on the type of sprout, they generally contain high levels of folate, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin K. They have higher amounts of these nutrients than fully grown versions of the same plants. I enjoyed taking you on this 6-day journey in the sprout making process. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel. If you didn't like this video, hit the thumbs up button anyway. Have a good day and happy sprouting.